Multiply negative 2x squared times the quantity 3x squared minus 3x minus 5. We need to multiply negative 2x squared times each term in the parentheses. So we begin with negative 2x squared times 3x squared, negative 2x squared times the negative 3x, and minus 2x squared times negative 5. Next, within each of these products, we multiply the constants together. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. We multiply the variables together, which means that we add the powers. So this would be x to the 4th. In this one, we have negative 2 times negative 3 for positive 6, x squared times x for x cubed. And in this product, we have negative 2 times negative 5 for positive 10, and then it's just an x squared. There's no variable term there, so we have x squared. Our answer, negative 6x to the 4th plus 6x cubed plus 10x squared.